Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2023, 19th of January. And today shall be my last day of the week to go live streaming with all of you. So I'm here to do out the Forex trading plan to pick up some of the potential currency pairs to trade later on in the live market. So guys, would like to join me in my live trading session. It will be another 2 hours. Okay. So later on, I'll be another 2 hours. I will start my live trading for 3 hours. All right. So you're welcome to join me in my live trading session later on as well. So before we start that session, now currently we are going to have this session in Forex Trading Plan to pick up some of the currency pairs to focus later on to sell. All right, because I'm the seller. All right. So yep, and I'm going to start off with my trading plan. All right, over here. Yeah. First of all, let's get into the MT4. Aussie CAD over here. Yes, we have been looking out for a buy. Yes, the bull is still running and today have some retracement down to test on the support. So let's say if this is going to break below and we may have a chance to sell today, right? So the Aussie CAD tentatively is right on the support over here. And I'm actually waiting for it to break below and then retest this area. Then we will have a good chance to come down to the support area over here, which we will stand about at another 70 pips there about. So we will be able to have a chance to sell. So at the moment right now, okay, I will be waiting for a good chance for it to sell. But but the thing is that we are still in the bull. So let's wait for it to get into the bear before we start selling, right? Okay, so let's move on to Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc similarly, okay, we are actually looking for a bull from here, but yesterday we have a very good swing down. All right, so let's take a look over here. The Aussie franc, well, it has swing down this way. It seems like we are now testing onto the support over here. So right now we are on the support. If there's any chance that the selling is going to come in, I will be likely to wait for it to break the support, then I will go for a selling. So at this point of time, well, Aussie franc, it can be because this swing is because of over at this point here because of some employment change for the Aussie and the unemployment rate, which is negative towards the Aussie. So it may reclaim back the selling over here. So we will need to pay attention to that before we take action. All right. So Aussie franc, if there's a selling, let's wait for it to break the support before we take action. Well, Aussie yen. Let's take a look at Aussie yen. Well, Aussie yen from yesterday, it has a very good rejections after it tests onto the resistance. Then after that, it started to swing down. All right, until today. With the Aussie negative news, it continued to break through the support and continue to go further down. All right, so probably it may be looking out for this support over here. As we can see, it broke the support, which become a resistance. Now we are still having a chance to sell for this Aussie yen. All right, so I will put this Aussie yen into my watch list. Well, later on we can take a look if there's a chance for selling. What about Aussie Kiwi? Well, Aussie Kiwi, we are also in the selling after yesterday has tested the resistance. The past few days have been tested the resistance and now still it is actually coming back for the selling. Aussie Kiwi is still in the selling mode and now let's see where's the support level. Okay, so we have tested on the support. It stopped here. So probably we may need a resistance before it actually continues the selling. So like now, I will see Aussie Kiwi to break the support, retest this support as a resistance, then we will continue the selling. All right, so we will wait patiently for this Aussie Kiwi. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to put Aussie Kiwi since it's there and we are breaking the support soon. All right, so for Aussie dollar, well, for Aussie dollar, by looking at this, we are in the bull and we are actually turning down for a bear. So we have break through the transition and into the bear, just into the bear, right? Just into the bear. So currently, I'm going to plot out where is the support level to see if there's a chance that we will have it. Well, we are going for a selling. So at this point of time here, right, when we are looking into this situation, right, we still have some space for selling, which is about 38 pips to go. So at the moment, okay, I'll be waiting for it to test onto the resistance here. well, okay, then after that we may have a chance for the selling. So for now, okay, for now I'm going to look at this area here. Let's wait for the Aussie dollar to test on the resistance without breaking, and we will have a chance for selling, right? For Euro Aussie, yeah, let's take a look at Euro Aussie, we are still in the bull, so Euro Aussie will still be going up to take the highs there. So tentatively, I'm going to stay away from that. Euro CAD over here. Well, Euro CAD we have tested into the the resistance, and it broke through. So currently, I will still be looking for buying for Euro CAD. Then for Euro Yen, well, Euro Yen over here. Well, Euro Yen, we are in the bear, alright? So we have been selling since yesterday as well. Very good catch for some. So today we are still going to take the support. So tentatively, Euro Yen, very straightforward. We are going to put this into my watch list. Okay, right. So next to go. Well, Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi over here, as we can see, Euro Kiwi actually swing down and go up, double top on top and coming down for a selling. However, it hits on the support right now. Okay, it hits on the support and now it's retracing upwards to look out for resistance. So at the moment, will it actually create a trading market down to continue the selling? That may be a possibility. So we can take a look at Euro Kiwi, where I see there's a point over here, which I see that there's a chance here. So we are pretty near. So for Euro Kiwi, probably we can take a look. Alright, so later on, when the chance comes, okay, then we will have a chance to sell this. Alright. Okay, so for next to go, for Euro Dollar. Well, for Euro Dollar, we are still in the bull. The bull is still running very strongly, and tentatively by looking at this Euro Dollar, okay, we are still trying to test on the resistance here. Right, the resistance up here. Okay, so the resistance tested once it swing down, but it also hits on the support. So currently, I will be looking into this area to break the support. Then we will have a good chance for selling. However, we are still in the bull, so it is still in the transition from the bull into the bear. So let's wait patiently. Okay, right. So for Pound Aussie, Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie, very straightforward. We are hitting on the support. Now we are going up. Buy. So looking out for the resistance up there. So still quite far away. So probably we can stay away for sellers. For Pound CAD. Well, for Pound CAD, let's take a look at Pound CAD. Pound CAD, we are also looking for a buy since we are already in the bull and the bull is still running. So for Pound CAD, tentatively, I will be looking for a buy, then more than a sell. Okay, so the resistance is actually here. Okay. So at this moment, we may want to see it's getting near to the resistance. Am I right? It's getting near to the resistance. So if the resistance able to hold this Pound CAD, there may be a good chance the Pound CAD will continue selling down to take out the liquidity over here and continue the selling. So as of now, for Pound CAD, we can wait for a while, okay, to see if this Pound CAD can test on the resistance. If it's not breaking, then we will have a chance to sell. Okay. That's for Pound CAD. Alright. Hi, good morning. Wasim, nice to see you here. Namaste. Alright, so Pound Franc over here. Pound Franc, we are also in the bull, having a very big retracement and come back to selling, retrace back again. It seems like there's a ranging here, but it's a very big wave here. So at the moment, okay, I can see that they are looking for a support, but the support is pretty near over here for Pound CAD. Okay, so we are only left with 11 pips. So if this is able to break, this will continue to come down for the selling. So we can take note of that later on for the Pound Franc. Tentatively, there isn't any good sign, so I'm going to skip that. Okay, so for Pound Yen, yes, yesterday we have been selling the Pound Yen very smoothly all the way. Okay, I have collected a total of 30 pips there. Alright, so over at this point here, it actually came down. And for the Pound Yen, well, we have successfully recovered our targets. So at this point here, for the Pound Yen, yeah, it is nice. So we don't tentatively it's back to normal. So for right now in this case, okay, we are be looking out for Pound Yen. what are the trend right now? We are in the bear trend. Okay, so selling is possible. All right, so over here, the support level is here. Okay, so not much different. So will there be a chance that it will come down to take the liquidity like yesterday? So it depends on London market later on. Okay, so for pound yen, I'm going to put this into my watch list because it's on the selling list. Okay, because it's actually on the bear trend and you know, it should be put into my selling list, right? Okay, so pound yen, I'm going to put this inside, right? Right, so next to go, pound kiwi. Yeah, pound kiwi, very straightforward. We are actually landing and now taking a buy. So buyers can take note, but the seller has to stay away. Okay. Yep, for pound dollar. Pound dollar. Wow, yesterday was a very good day for them. The trend is actually going up, retest, and then continue to go up to test the resistance. So the resistance is still up there. It has been tested once. So let's see if this resistance will be able to hold the price down. If it's possible, then we may have a good chance for selling. Okay. So in this case, for this pound dollar, if I'm going to look up for the selling, all right. If I'm going to look up for selling, yeah, I will be waiting for this level to break. Okay, this level to break. This level, once it breaks, it will retest. Then after that, it will start to come back down for a selling. Right. So for pound dollar, okay, we are very near. We are very near to the selling area, right? But the thing is that we are still in the buying. Okay, but it's still coming. It is coming back soon to build up the structure. So we can actually pay attention to that also. Okay, so for pound dollar, yeah, today I'm looking out for the selling. So yes, we are actually coming into the level the bull is running. Am I right? Yeah, the bull is running. One here, one here, one here, and then it goes up. Okay, test the resistance here, then there will be a good chance to continue selling. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to put pound dollar into my watch list. Okay, let's see. Right, for dollar CAD, let's take a look at dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD, we are still in the move of the bull, so I'm going to leave it aside first. So for dollar franc, all right, dollar franc, yesterday was a bear and it's actually coming down for selling. We are still quite a distance away from the support level, which is about 32 pips. So dollar franc, we can take note. Okay, just look out for resistance. Then after that, we go for a selling. Okay. Well, how about dollar yen? Okay, dollar yen, we are actually in the bear. Okay, looks good because it's still in the trading market. So tentatively, okay, what we are looking at over here is that when it actually start to sell down, okay, we are waiting for it to break the support here before we actually continue the selling down. So let's wait for the dollar yen to break the support first, later on before we actually take action. Okay, that's dollar yen. Okay, yep. And that should be all for today. Well, later on, we will come back here and take a look in the live trading session to see what do we have here. All right, let me flash it out for everybody. All right, over here. Okay, yeah, and let's see, what do I have here? Yeah, okay, good. Now we have this, all right. Right, we have all this. Okay, so Aussie yen, Aussie kiwi, Aussie dollar, Euro yen, Euro kiwi, pound CAD, pound yen, pound dollar, dollar franc, and dollar yen. All right. Thank you guys for coming in here, and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash the like button for me. All right. I shall see you later on in the next 1.5 hours time for our live trading session. Thank you so much. See you again.